In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Classroom for the first time. Getting started with Google Classroom is a straightforward process, but for those who are doing it for the first time, it might seem a bit daunting. Don't worry, we'll walk through each step together, making sure you're set up and ready to dive into your courses without any hiccups along the way. To begin, navigate to google.com. This might seem like an obvious first step, but it's where everything starts. Google.com is not just a search engine, it's the gateway to all of Google's services, including Google Classroom. Once the page loads, you'll notice several things on the screen, but what we're interested in is located at the top right corner of the page. There you'll find a Sign In button. Click on it. This action marks your first step towards accessing the wide array of Google services tailored to enhance productivity and learning. The next screen you encounter will prompt you to choose your Google account. If you've used Google services before, you might see your account already listed here. If not, or if you need to use a different account, you can click on Use Another Account and enter your details. This is especially relevant for students or teachers who have been given specific educational accounts that end with a domain different from the usual hgmail.com. After selecting your account, you will be asked to type in your password. This is a crucial step to ensure that your account remains secure and that only you can access it. If you've forgotten your password, there's a handy Forgot Password link right below the password field. Google has made it relatively easy to recover your account, provided you've set up recovery options. Once your password is entered, clicking Next will take you closer to accessing Google Classroom. However, you're not there just yet. The next step involves accessing the Google Apps menu, which can also be found at the top right corner of the screen. It's symbolized by a small grid of squares. Clicking on this will open a menu filled with various Google apps. You might have to scroll down, but look for the Google Classroom icon. It's usually represented by a chalkboard with an outline of a person. Clicking on Google Classroom will finally take you to your destination. If it's your first time, Google might walk you through a brief tutorial or ask you to confirm your role as a student or teacher, which is vital for setting up your classroom experience accordingly. Logging into Google Classroom for the first time is a simple process, but here are a few additional tips. 1. Asterisk asterisk. Make sure you're using a compatible browser. Asterisk. Google Chrome is recommended for the best experience, as it seamlessly integrates with all Google services, including Classroom. 2. Asterisk asterisk. Check your internet connection. Asterisk asterisk. An unstable connection can disrupt the login process, causing unnecessary frustration. 3. Asterisk asterisk. Use your educational account if you have one. Asterisk asterisk. Many educational institutions provide students and teachers with a specific Google account. Using this account can give you access to additional resources and permissions within Classroom. 4. Asterisk asterisk. Remember to sign out if you're on a shared computer. Asterisk asterisk. This helps to keep your account secure and ensures that no one else can access your information or assignments. 5. Asterisk asterisk. Explore Google Classroom. Asterisk asterisk. Once logged in, take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface. Google Classroom is designed to be intuitive, but exploring on your own can give you a better sense of how to navigate and use its features effectively. And with that, you're all set. Google Classroom is a powerful tool for education, allowing teachers and students to collaborate, manage assignments, and create an engaging learning environment. Whether you're attending your first online class or setting up your coursework, Google Classroom simplifies the process, keeping everything organized and accessible in one place. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Now that you know how to log into Google Classroom, you're ready to start your journey towards a more organized and efficient learning experience. Happy learning, and see you in the classroom.